In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your accounting process or just trying to manage your finances more effectively, understanding how to categorize your transactions correctly is a vital skill. So, let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible for you. First, open up QuickBooks Online and get yourself logged in. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll see a number of different options. These are your navigation tools, designed to help you easily access different areas of the software. Here, you want to click on the Transaction tab. This is the hub where all your financial activity is compiled, making it easier to keep track of what's coming in and going out. Once you've clicked on Transactions, look for the Bank Transactions tab. Selecting this will take you to another screen where you can view all your banking activity. Here, you'll need to identify the specific credit card account that holds the transactions you want to categorize. Click on this account, and it will bring up a list of your recent transactions, both categorized and uncategorized. Now, as your focus today is on categorizing, keep an eye out for transactions tagged as uncategorized. These are transactions that haven't yet been assigned to a specific category within your chart of accounts, which means they don't have a context for QuickBooks to properly analyze your spending and income for your reports. Click on one of these uncategorized transactions to open up more options. Inside the transaction's details, you'll observe a drop-down menu labeled Account. This is where you'll make the magic happen. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see a list of potential categories to choose from. These categories are usually tailored to fit the needs of your business type, so try to select the one that most accurately describes the transaction's nature. For instance, if you've bought office supplies, you might categorize this under Supplies or Office Expense. Correct categorization not only aids you when tracking expenses, it also enhances your financial reporting accuracy, ensuring you're prepared during tax season or any other financial analysis periods. Once you've chosen the appropriate category, take a moment to ensure it reflects the true nature of the transaction. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your financial records. After you're satisfied with your selection, locate and click the Add button at the bottom right of the window to save your changes. Once this is done, congratulate yourself. You've successfully categorized a credit card transaction. Remember, doing this regularly will keep your financial data organized and ensure you have a clear, up-to-date understanding of your financial standing. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing, and it'll become second nature in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.